Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this powerful AI and how you can actually use this powerful AI to your advantage. The name of this AI is gamma.ap. And what do I mean by using this powerful AI to your advantage? It's a new medium for presenting ideas through AI. And with this AI you can say bye-bye to PowerPoint and all of those designs you have to do from scratch. Imagine you are in an office and you have to quickly do some one or two things. You want to quickly impress your boss. Your boss asking for you to present some ideas and you're looking for a way to quickly generate these ideas. Let me tell you something. You don't really need to spend 10 hours or lots of hours again developing these new ideas or this presentation. This AI will help you to generate these ideas without even thinking. The only thing you just need to do is to give this AI some certain prompts and it's going to generate the ideas for you. Let's go to what I'm talking about. Look at this. As you can see, this is really great. All of these things are made using this AI. I'm telling you guys, it's only just a click of a button and some few things, you just need to actually type in. So that is just what you need to do. How are we going to do this? I just want to really show you how to use this. In my coming videos, I'll be showing you how to use this particular AI to its fullest. Now let's quickly go to it. So how would you go? How would you start? The first thing you need to do is to go to this place, go to Google and type gamma.ap, and you will be brought to this page. And then what do you need to do after then? Just click on try for free. When you click on try for free, it's going to lead you to a sign up page. I will advise you to sign up with Google. Don't worry, I will drop the link in my description below. So you click on continue with Google. Either continue with Google or you can just simply sign in with your AI. It does not really mean. So I'm going to sign for the sake of this video, I'm signing up afresh. So we'll click on this and it's going to tell me to see, am I really going to sign up? Yes, of course I'm signing up. Now look at it. Let me change this to alright. So this is it. I'm just here creating my workspace. Okay, so for personal use, whatever it is you want to use it for, just pick. It's highly dependent on your preference. So select an option. I'll just click on let's say engineering. Okay, I think I like the sound of that. So what do you hear about us? Of course, I heard it from, I can't find where I heard it. Okay, let me use this. So what do I need to say? Okay, click on get started, and this is your home, guys. So this is where you actually come, and this is where the magic happens. This is where you're going to start presenting or generating your ideas. So how do I mean? In this first pane, what happens is you can paste in some text. Maybe you already have some text down, or you already have an outline here already. What you just need to do is to paste it in this text, and this, from the notes you've created or from the text, an outline will be generated for you, and this outline is going to be consistent with your text, right? And not just outline will be generated, the app will also create a corresponding text or a corresponding presentation for you also. And this is what you just need to do, and that's the first thing. Another thing you just need to do is just come to this place. If this is what you probably you also want to start from the scratch, or you just want to let your creativity do the magic, just come to this place, paste in your text, and let the AI do its magic. And here, this is the most popular one. Here you just need to probably put in some prompts, and the prompt is going to generate some presentation for you, and that is just what you need to do. And here probably you already have a pptx file already, which is a PowerPoint file. What you just need to do is to import that particular file and let the AI do its magic. In my coming video, I'm going to show you how to do each of these particular steps one after the other, and how to use this Gamma AI to the fullest. But for the sake of this video, I'm only going to be using the most popular one, which is to generate. With that is, you are creating from just one line prompt in a few seconds. And what do we need to do? Just click on this place and click on continue. So this is where the magic begins, really. So from here, what you just need to do is to generate from prompt. Let's assume I mean to, any particular field. Let me just say finance now. I will just write a prompt, let me just say create a presentation on how I can increase my income in what industry now? In the digital market industry. So okay, let me say how my company can increase her income. Let us change that. Our income in the I didn't spell this well. Presentation. All right. So create a presentation on how my company. Yeah, sorry about that. How my company can increase our income in the digital marketing industry. So you can decide to increase the number of cards you want, probably 10 or 15, but at the moment 8 is enough really. So I will just click on generate outline and let us see. Wow, introduction to our digital marketing service, increase your online process and visibility. Can you see these are the outlines that was generated? And a call to action. And create a presentation on how my company can increase our income in the digital marketing industry. So this is it, and this is where you can see that the AI has already generated every of the outline, and what you just need to do from here is to click on continue, and let us see what will happen. Just watch, wait for it. As you can see, yeah, you can really pick what kind of theme really suits you, whatever really works best for you, whatever makes you sleep well at night really. So but for me, I actually like blue. That is blues, or let me just go with this blue. I love blue a lot. There's something blue does to me. I don't really know what, but I really love blue. Okay, so what I just need to do is to click on generate here. I'll click on generate, and I think that is all. Okay, as you can see, the generation has begun, and let's watch. Yes. Okay, thank you for this. Thank you. All right. Yeah. Okay. Now my presentation is done, and the only thing I just need to do from here is to click on present and see how well it looks. Let us see how well it looks. And yeah, get started. Ready to take your digital process to a new height. You click on get started. All right, can you see? I can see it's going. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, I think maximizing your marketing potential. This is where it all starts. As you can see, it puts a corresponding what's it called now, image to whatever it is that you're talking about. And don't forget, each of these image can actually be edited to your liking. Whatever it is you want to do, you can have it edited. You see, this is it. Elevate your pitch, targeted, wherever. As you can see, the email marketing powerhouse and whatever it is, said personalized campaign, craft personalized email content that resonates with your subscribers and drives higher engagement. Just a prompt. It's a prompt that brought all these guys. A prompt, just a prompt. Within seconds, you are already done with generating your presentation. And this is really great, guys. Look at it, whatever it is. So, and you might be wondering, can I really export this? Let's say you want to export this and have it edited in PowerPoint. Of course you can have it exported. And what do you need to do? The only thing you just need to do is to click on share, and when you click on share, it's going to bring out this pane, and from there you can either publish to site, or you can click on either share it as a link, or you click on export. So when you click on export, it's going to bring two options. Either you want to download it as a PDF, or you want to download it as a PowerPoint. So when you click on export to PowerPoint, then the file is already exporting to PowerPoint. So let us wait while it is exporting. Let's hold on while it's exporting. Okay, as you can see, the export is ready. It said a download should start automatically. If not, you can just click here to download. Of course, the download did not start automatically, and so I'm clicking here for download. So the thing is being downloaded right now. I think the downloading is done. So what do I need to do? Oh wow! So I downloaded it twice. Wow! That's not bad, you know. So what I just need to do now to show you that this really works, I'll go to my files, and I'll click on just downloaded files, and from here I will just click on maximizing your digital. I think this is it. So I'll open it using PowerPoint. So that's just what you just need to do. Then I can edit whatever it is I want to do. I can edit it. Let us wait while it is already opening. It's already opening. Yeah, yes, it's already opening. Okay, let's wait while it's opening. Very sorry. Alright, can you see that you can further edit the image. Let's say the image does not sit well with you, you can further edit it to your liking. You understand? And the best part of it is that this watermark here, you can have it removed with just a click of a button. This is the best thing about this AI. It does not have watermark. Nobody needs to know that you did this with AI. Within 30 seconds, or let's just say 30 minutes, you are done with your presentation. Are you getting me? Do you get now? So you can see maximizing, elevate your online visibility, whatever it is you want to do. You can see have it done here. You can see have it done in your PowerPoint presentation. Your PowerPoint presentation, you can see edit it to your liking. Even there's not unlike all of those other PowerPoint tools, or let me just say look-alike PowerPoint tools, whereby you can export any file to PPTX, or any presentation tool whereby you can export it to PPTX. This is the best presentation tool you can ever have, guys. So can you see? With just a click of a button, I can remove every part, every watermark I have there. With just a click of I only need to press over on it, then click on backspace. It's not as if it is ingrained or it is made on it or whatever it is. No, it's not. I can delete it, I can remove it whatever I like or whenever I like. All right, I can decide to leave it there, and this is the button. This is the button, get started, I guess. So this is the get started button. You can decide to do what, to edit it. Okay, you can edit it, and if it does not stick to it, you can just delete and put whatever it is that really sits well with you there. I believe you understand what I'm saying. And don't forget, I'm actually using WPS, and WPS I might not really show all the proper stuff, because if you were to use Microsoft PowerPoint, it will still show better than this. Do you get? Any PowerPoint tool that you have, or any PowerPoint software that you have, we perfectly work with this your presentation that is generated on gamma.ap. If you've seen that I've actually given you value, please don't forget to like and share this video to people that might actually need it. And don't worry, as I've said, I'm going to drop in my coming videos, I'm going to drop a full tutorial on how to use gamma.ap efficiently, and some certain hidden tools that is there that you might not really know. But any time I do a video on it, just continue surfing, continue making your research, and continue playing around with it. Thank you. Drop a like, drop a follow. See you in the next video.